Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be preparing a seafood bowl inspired by Toritos. If you have never had Toritos, they are some delicious, okay? I'm talking about delicious. You get a nice little pepper like this, you take out the seeds, you stuff it with the shrimp and cheese, wrap it with bacon, and you sear it. If you have had a Torito before, please let me know in the comments. And if you've had a Torito, you're going to love this recipe because the flavor that you get from the soy sauce and the citrus from your lemon or lime, whatever you choose, really transforms this dish to where you can eat it hot or cold. So now that I made myself and probably some of you hungry, let's go ahead and make this delicious bowl. Before we begin, I want you guys to check your subscription. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. We need your help. And if you guys if you're not getting the notifications, make sure you take a look and see if you're getting notifications. You can adjust it. You can get them all the time. And it's going to be up to you if you want to be a bell or a notification squad. Yeah. Also, I'm going to briefly go over the ingredients, but if you guys want all of the ingredients, make sure you look in the description area and the recipe. Well, these are recipe videos. Yeah. Who's ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, because you were kind of, you know what? I got a message that you were kind of silent on our last video.
I was catching up on some reading. I'm sorry.
What? All right, friends. Well, you can have a delicious Torito without a chile güerito. Some places know them as banana peppers, but it's going to be where your Mexican style chiles are. These are the ones that you want to use for this recipe. Now, if you can't get a hold of them, you already know what I'm going to say.
Don't use Hungarian peppers unless you like them really spicy. You'll die.
I wasn't going to say that, but thank you for letting everybody know.
Somebody may have made a mistake once or twice.
Yes, I did, and we suffered the consequences. Shout out to all our Hungarian friends. You guys know how to spice it up. The next one that really brings this dish together is going to be bacon. But I know a lot of you are not eating pork, so go ahead and skip it. You're going to be just fine. We have some carrots, purple onion, cilantro, avocado, and some sliced cucumbers. And your veggie ingredients for this dish is going to be more to taste, because I know that when I use cucumber, I have to have like a cup of cucumber, but it's going to be up to you guys. We have our shrimp. And now that we've gone over those, let's go ahead and get our sauce started. Friends, before we start making our sauce, let me go over this particular ingredient. It is Maggi seasoning. You can find it at a dollar store for $1, but I'll make sure that Cloudy can help us out and put one in the Amazon storefront.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna need this one. It's not because it's like, oh my goodness, what a favorite, but it really balances out recipes when you use your soy sauce.
Can you bring it a little bit closer so we can see?
Sure. Ready? Do I do it like Animal Crossing?
Go for it. There we go. Thank you.
When they catch their little bugs, they're like,
I'm doing really good right now, Maggie.
Are you? You've been at it. You've been ignoring me. So it's like fall comes around and I get a little bit more ignored from my sister, but we'll talk about that later.
Hit me up in the comments if you want me to add you to my Animal Crossing.
Oh Lord, get ready. Get ready, because she has a new fashion almost every day. Do you guys play Animal Crossing? I remember playing it when you had your little DS, remember?
Yeah.
Because you can get it on your phone now. It's, what is it, Pocket Camp?
Yeah, you don't mess with me in my Animal Crossing. Maybe I'll get you into it this fall. Maybe.
I don't know, girl. You got me reading.
Okay.
That's usually what ends up happening. Like, I forget to read sometimes. My sister's like, have you been reading? So now, you ready?
Ready.
Okay. So we're going to add our soy sauce into our pot, our little saucepan. Yes, you guys have been asking me what pans are my favorite. Some of you are calling me out for being bougie, but after buying so many pans, this is the least bougie I've been, because my money's already like, it's worth every cent. Especially with the burners that we have. So I added my Maggi seasoning and Worcestershire.
I added the pans that you're using to the storefront.
The what?
All the pans that you're using?
Oh, you did?
Yeah,
thanks,
some
sis.
of the cast iron.
Yeah, I mean, my burners are like industrial, and they get really hot, and they usually burn anything that has a plastic handle, and these are kind of like a non-stick cast iron.
Yep.
We're gonna go ahead and add our sugar.
Pour some sugar on me.
Yeah. Okay. So what you're not gonna do at this point, you're not gonna add your lemon juice yet. Keep it to the side. And once we're done adding the ingredients we need into this sauce, when we get to our little burner, our large burner, little, apparently
You got me
little.
good. I thought you were going to say what you're going to add as a lemon. You're like, what you're not going to do.
No, you're not gonna do that because it's gonna get too sour. It's gonna take the flavor. We just need to cook this a little bit with a few things that we're gonna be adding to it. So now that I've said that, let's go to the big burner.
Sounds good.
Oh no, repeat offender. 2 days in a row. You guys, this is a pan and we currently have it at a medium heat. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start cooking down our bacon. You see, I said bacon, everybody got quiet like, what? It's exciting.
Some tocino.
Tocino. So you say bacon. Okay, and back here, if you can see, I already cooked my rice. What's up? Arrocito.
The fluffiest rice on planet Earth.
Ever. But you guys don't like my tips, so
You be quiet.
I'm being silly. Okay, I'll stop. You guys love my rice tips.
If you guys remember the rice video, you'll know what she's talking about.
Yeah. Give me a thumbs up. They're like, Steph, you haven't told us to give you a thumbs up or down in a while. Yeah, today, go for it. Okay, friends, while our bacon continues to cook, I'm going to put a lid on it. And I'm going to switch my rice to the side so we can get started on our shrimp. I'm going to go ahead and pour some warm water. It's almost boiling point.
Ooh, I love the way that sounds.
I can only handle certain pouring sounds. Since my water's pretty much boiling hot, it's gonna boil a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and pour my shrimp, okay? And I'm gonna have them boil about 2.5 minutes, but it's gonna be up to the texture that you prefer. So we're going with 2 to 2.5 minutes, okay?
Did you season them or no? They don't
Nope.
need to be seasoned?
Yeah, we're gonna add a pinch of salt.
Oh, okay.
So go ahead and add a pinch of salt.
I know I'm so
And-
thirsty. I'm like, did you add the salt?
Because he loves shrimp, girl. My shrimp are ready. Now I'm going to go ahead and take them out, and I'm going to go ahead and put them in cold water. Why? Because it's going to stop the cooking process for us. And you guys already warned me. Everybody's warned me that I overcook my shrimp. I know. That's how I like it. But Cloud doesn't like her shrimp overcooked, so that's why we're doing this. You feel special, Cloud?
Every day.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and set this to the side. If you're cooking at home, do not put a lid on your bacon. Do not.
Why'd you do it?
Because I didn't want it to splash on me while I was getting the shrimp out.
Oh, that's smart. I thought you were going to say to splash on me, but... Hey, you gotta look out for number one.
Alright, my bacon is going to be done here in like less than 30 seconds, so.
Looks nice and crispy.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and start taking our bacon out. And this part's going to be super quick. We're going to add our chilitos to roast them a bit. Alright, just a quick little saute. That should take you about 30 seconds to 45 seconds, and then start taking them out.
And you add them to the broth?
I'm adding them to our little broth sauce. What we're going to be doing now is we're just warming up our sauce about a minute to 2. Okay, it's going to depend on your burner, but we just want to warm up our sauce. Okay, friends, our sauce is set, and if it looks like I have a little bit more, it's because we have family members that are going to be partaking. So I had to make a little bit more, but make sure to follow the recipe in the description for your portion. So just like that, you can make your little bowl of rice. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do kind of a delicious smoked. I'm going to pour some of my sauce. Okay. Well, you're not proud of my spilling, Cloud?
Your spilling that you did?
Uh-huh.
To the left?
Yes.
I wasn't going to say anything.
Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and add our spicy mayo. And spicy mayo is just sriracha and mayonnaise. And take it easy on your sriracha. I think that's where everybody goes wrong. You go crazy for it, and then all of a sudden you're like, that doesn't taste like our sushi place. Right? Just put a little bit like that.
Show us your ways. Show us your ways.
DJ Seafood. I heard DJ myself on that one. Some shrimp. Just put that baby there. How's that?
Mm-hmm.
You getting excited, Cloud?
Yes.
Yes. Now I'm going to add some finely shredded carrots. And this is where you want to engage with your food, you know?
What do you mean engage with your food?
Yes, I mean, you're already feeding your eyes because you're taking your time to prepare this dish, because in reality, it's me, you, and Grandma that enjoy the seafood, and sometimes Bebe, right? Mm-hmm. Selective few. Gonna add some of your onions. If you don't have purple onions, you can make it with whatever onions you have at home. Green, white, yellow. And add a few of our cucumbers. I lost my voice on that one because I got excited. And I'm gonna put a few at the bottom because I like the cucumbers. The great part about this is that if you're making this for one of your parties or a Sunday dinner, it's kind of like a salad bar or a taco bar where everybody can add the ingredients that they want. So whether it's cold or warm, it's a super nice recipe, I think. So now we're gonna go ahead and add some more of our mayo, and you're gonna add as much as you'd like. Just like that. We're gonna bring some bacon. Ooh, that looks great, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Add a few of the bacons on the bottom. Make your rain cilantro, you know how much I love it. And now I'm gonna add a few of those chilitos to the top. See where they fall. Ready? Mm-hmm. You guys think we're done? No, we're not. We need some aguacate.
You just bought that, didn't you?
I just bought it. I guess we don't have avocado today, guys. You always ask me, where's avocado, Steph? Well, something's either on my shirt or it's not ready for us to use today.
You don't have it on your in your refrigerator? You don't have more?
I don't think so. Let me check, guys. This is gonna be optional, but I do have a recipe for the Views spicy hot chili oil. It's a Mexican blend in here, and it is pretty much going on everything. It has been going on everything for a while. Huh?
Sorry, I got the hiccups in the middle of your sentence. I'm so
somebody,
sorry.
I think somebody said you need to drink pickle juice.
Ew,
or was that for cramps?
No.
I can't remember, guys. Help me out. So we're going to go ahead and drizzle a little bit. And this is going to be optional, as I mentioned. I'm already due for a little bit more. You guys can see.
A new batch?
Yeah, a new batch.
Why? Because
that's why
I ate it all?
The whole family loves it. That's why it takes me, it's difficult for me to tell you guys how long it lasts because things don't last in this home. I'm so ready to taste this. Let me go for a whole shrimp. Come on now. Come on now. Let's have some fun. Ready? Let me dig in here. That's why I like the little moat, because I can pick up everything that I dropped, and I keep dropping with this particular spoon.
Use your fingers.
There we go.
Help yourself.
You ready to try this? Girl. I was gonna say I'm ready to get married.
Yes, well, you're just ready to make me dishes. It was amazing, sis. Thank you.
This is...
My sister made mine without pork because I don't eat pork, so thank you.
Yeah, Cloud doesn't like pork, but this has so much flavor from your soy blend to the spicy mayo rice combination of all of this. You're gonna have a lot of fun. Girl.
Yes, you did a fine, fine job.
You almost get poke bowl, you almost get sushi, you almost get like marisco ceviche type feel. Oh man. This is divine.
And on that note, she'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Adios.